Okay, so we're gonna open up Logic, just a new track, software instrument, and it's got us on classic electric piano, and I have the Mio plugged in, and we can tell that it is triggering the sound there. We should also be able to open up the keyboard inspector. Let's go show keyboard, and then it'll actually show, okay, it's in Windows, show keyboard, then it'll actually show, yeah, which notes you're playing. Then we see C4, C3, C2, those sorts of things. Okay, so we can tell it's functioning correctly. Now let's plug in the other one and see what we get.